My name is Jennifer Gall, and I will be speaking on my number one speaking tip today. We all know that getting in front of a group of people and speaking can be very scary and intimidating. Not a lot of us have gone through a public speaking class, but the good thing is we can prepare ourselves. Preparation is my number one speaking tip. Before giving your speech, make sure that you are ready. Rehearse, record yourself, practice your breathing. All of those things can make you feel more comfortable. Breathing can be the cause of a lot of slip-ups. If you're running out of breath, you're losing track of thoughts, and you don't know what's going to happen next. Know when it's time to take a slight pause to breathe. Catch your breath, take a deep breath, be ready. Once you return, you'll feel more confident. Having a steady heart rate can lessen your stress and anxiety. Another couple of ways that you can make yourself feel more comfortable is by getting comfortable with your topic. If you chose something that you are confident with, or if you're not that confident, make sure that you do plenty of research, take notes, make sure that you are fully prepared before you get up to give your speech. Another way is to be comfortable in a group of people. By practicing in front of friends and family, you are around people that you trust. This can make you feel more confident. Another way is by picking up nonverbal communication. If you're looking at your crowd and people are looking uninterested, they're frowning, they're slouching, then you know that you need to pick up your tone and maybe speak with your hands a little bit more, smile, exaggerate. It can catch their attention a little bit better. If you do not properly prepare yourself, you may lose track of thought. Instead of being overcome by fear, you can prepare yourself and feel more confident. Ultimately, if you give yourself enough time to rehearse, you will go into it feeling much more relaxed and comfortable by giving your speech. Nobody wants to get up in front of a bunch of people and feel insecure. That's why preparation is my number one speaking tip.